So in this realtor.com tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view land here on realtor.com. So the first thing you have to do is open up the realtor.com website or the application. Once that is done, select a city or an area of your choice. So for this demonstration, I have Las Vegas, Nevada. Now, if you're looking to view land that is for sale, it's fairly straightforward. Go to the search tab in the bottom left, then go to where it says filters right here in the top left, press on filters, and where it says property type, press on any right here. To open up the type. Now, as by default, actually all of it is selected, but if you just go ahead, simply just unselect everything, and if you're only looking for land for sale, for example, make sure land is selected, then press on apply, and once that is done, what it'll actually do now is refine your search and only show you listings that are available under the land option, or basically show you guys land that is for sale in the area that you're searching for here on realtor.com. So super simple, super straightforward, but this is how to view land here on realtor.com. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.